is Axel again from the Lesotho Football for Hope Center. Today I'm going to take you on a little tour through the center since the construction team is working eagerly on the interior of the center. Background you can see the sub base. Unfortunately it's been raining in the last few days, so the contractor is not able to work outside anymore. The pergola poles are installed as well. We are just waiting for the rain to stop as well so that we can keep working on there. Now we're going to go inside. This is going to be the main classroom at the north end of the building. As you can see, the plastering is already complete and the construction workers finished the first day of coding. Right now we are in the future IT classroom here. As you can see, the battens are already installed, so we're just waiting for the ceiling boards to arrive. Other than that, this room is as far as the classroom. This is the main area where there's going to be the office, the library and the storage area over here with all the connections. The interior walls are not complete yet. There's going to be a wall right here and a wall right here dividing the library from the office space. This is going to be the reception area. The staff entrance is going to be right over there. Right next to it there is going to be a staff toilet room as well. The main entrance for the visitors and the Kid for Life members is supposed to be on this side.
My name is Sawata Makhache from Apatamai. I've been voluntary to Kid for Life since 2008 and delivering the program of Kid for Life about HIV and AIDS. And now we are having an important center, as you see, and I think it's going to change the life of the youth here in Lesotho, and also the street kids. They will be coming here and enjoying themselves in Kid for Life, and also having a five-a-side soccer pitch is going to be more important because we are willing to have maybe the competition of high schools to play the soccer for five-a-side and learning about HIV and AIDS. Thank you.